Plumber County Hills. My Calgary Plumber stands out as the premier choice for plumbing services in Country Hills, Calgary. We are your friendly plumbing service provider known for expertise and professionalism. Country Hills is in the northwest quadrant of Calgary, Alberta. It is bounded to the north by the Country Hills Boulevard and to the south by Beddington Trail. Its homes demand high-skilled plumbing services to navigate the area's diverse and complex water systems. Look no further. My Calgary Plumber professionally offers wind range of services at your doorstep. Call us for emergency repairs. Rely on us for quick response, whether it's a sudden burst pipe, a backed-up sewer, or a malfunctioning water heater. Drain cleaning. We efficiently clear out blockages and prevent them from recurring. Fixture installation and repair. My Calgary Plumber is your go-to choice for expert fixture installation and repair in Country Hills, Calgary. Water heater services. Reach us for comprehensive water heater services to ensure you always have hot water when you need it. Never hesitate to contact My Calgary Plumber for prompt repairs and replacements. Pipe repairs and replacements. Remember to call My Calgary Plumber at 587-707-0606. Don't wait, reach out to My Calgary Plumber and get your plumbing back on track today. Visit our website www.mycalgaryplumber.ca for much more enticing services. My Calgary Plumber, we care for you.